Hey guys, today I have an LOL surprise confetti pop, so let's get to opening. Oh my gosh, they're hard to open, so sorry if I take a while. Okay, we got our clue. Don't know if you can see the clue, but the clue is like a weight and some muscles. I think the hint is pumping iron. Let me check the answer. Yeah, the hint is pumping iron. Okay. We'll just like put that there. Okay. Put the trash to the side. Next, I'm going to open the next layer. Okay, wait. Sorry if I take a really long time. I'm really sorry about that.
Hey, it is a fake.
It's not a fake, Sam.
Then why does it have that little thing around it?
What thing?
A little thing around it.
What thing?
There's a little thing around it. See?
Where?
Wait.
Everyone has that. The real ones and the fake ones. You guys, my brother thinks this is a fake LOL surprise because they make fake LOL surprise, but it's not. He's confused. So I'm really sorry that I'm taking like 30 years to open this. They're like impossible to get open. Okay, I got some stickers. Here are the stickers.
It's water supply.
Okay, next layer.
What is mystery?
Mystery? Yeah, there's a mystery of a water surprise. I think it's same move. Mystery is like squirt water out of your ears.
But what squirt water out of the ears? Oh, that's squirt water out of the ears.
Mystery is squirt water out your ears.
Oh. I hope it doesn't be squirt out water out of the ears because then it would go off the table. Or I would just like.
Oh, I got out the ring tattoo. It's a soccer ball. Okay, I'll put that right there.
Yeah.
Sam. Okay. You guys, stay here. Please do not leave. There's just a lot of trash, and I'm gonna throw it all away. Please stay. Do not leave.
I'll make sure they don't leave. They're still here. They're still here. They're still here. They're gone.
You guys, please don't be gone. Don't listen to Sam. I'm back. I just had to do a quick trash cleanup. Okay, here's the instructions. I know how to open this, but if you don't, the instructions will be very important for you. So if you want to pause the video and read these, then you can do that. Okay, here's our ball. Let me get off the sticker. Oh my gosh. Ow! I dropped it. Sorry.
They're gone.
Guys, don't be gone. Don't listen to Sam. Sam, they're not gone. They're probably here. Okay, I'm going to throw this away. Please, please, please stay.
They're gone.
Sam, don't say they're gone. They're not going to be gone. Guys, don't listen to Sam. Don't leave. Hey, I looked in this compartment, and there's nothing there.
So it's a fake.
It's not a fake. It's just there's nothing there.
I think there's nothing here.
Hey, it's a surprise. And I found the ribbon. If you don't know, you pull the ribbon, and confetti will pop out, and your doll will pop out. We are going to save that.
Yeah.
And not get to it just yet. Sam, get your knee off the table. They don't want to see that. Okay, I got out my first little baggie. Let's see what it is. Okay, wait. They're hard to open. Sorry. Okay, got it. Shoes.
Yeah, shoes.
Little. Let me get out the shoes. Cute little sneakers. Sorry if you can't see them very well.
I can see one.
Sort
in the
of.
camera.
Yeah. Little sneakers.
I can show them up.
And they're pink. Sam! You made me drop my ball.
Just dropped it by itself.
I think the reason there was not a surprise in one of the compartments was because it was too big to fit there, so they put it inside the confetti pop. Ooh, we got a water bottle. It says Baby Goo Goo. Don't know if you can see that.
Where's baby Goo?
It says it.
Yep.
Okay. Next. Last surprise. And then we're going to get the doll.
And the thing that was not in the compartment.
Yeah, true.
I think that's the thing.
No, it's not.
Why?
Because there's supposed to be 4, and we only got 3. It's going to be in there. Oh, I know who we got, guys. I'm not going to tell you, but if you know who we got, comment below who we got. I know who we got.
Who do we get?
I'm not telling you, Sam. They have to guess. Leave your answers in the comments if you know who they got. This is the outfit. Okay, wait. I'm just going to talk to my dad for a second. It's not the baseball one, but it's the one from the athletic club. I think it's a runner.
Why do you think it's a runner?
Oh. Okay. Guys, this is going to be a mess. So we're just going to set this like back here. This is going to be a huge mess. I'm scared. It's about to confetti pop out. I'm really scared. Like, seriously. 3, 2, 1. Confetti. Get everything. Dad, the confetti went everywhere. It really does go everywhere. I do not hate confetti pops. Sam just said that we hate the confetti pops. We definitely do not hate them. Sam, do you have any bags? Here's the bag. Here's the one that couldn't fit in the compartment, I'm guessing. It's a little hat visor. This is going to be our doll. And I'm going to open it. Are you ready for the big reveal? Okay, I can't open it. Sorry. Look who it is.
Who?
We got, what's her name? Oh, I know her name. You guys, we got Spike. Let me dress her up. Her outfit is so hard to get on. Sorry about this, you guys. Her outfit is just really hard to get on, and I'm having trouble. Sorry if you're bored. If you're bored, subscribe. If you're not bored, still subscribe. Okay, I got her outfit. I'm going to get on her shoes. Sam, give me that handle. You don't need it.
I can throw this bag away.
Please, yeah. And throw this one away and throw these away. Okay. My brother is throwing all the bags away. Let me see some more info about Spike. Okay. Here's the checklist. If you can see the athletic club. There's Spike. She's a popular character. She might do mystery or she might tinkle.
Where's Spike? Where's Spice?
Not Spice. Her name is Spike.
Why is her name Spike?
I don't know. I don't make LOLs. Putting on her little, like, visor.
Why is that her little visor?
Stays, okay? Because it's a visor. Here she is with her bottle. And that's going to pretty much be it for this video. So, bye!